Good morning, Tigers. Today is Thursday, April 23, 2020, and this is your math class for first grade. Today our lesson is lesson 9.8, and we will be telling time to the hour and the half hour. So I have my Judy clock ready to go. You can get your Judy clock out if you want to. If not, it's okay. We can just use our paper. It's up to you. Be sure to get out your supplies, and then we will begin. All right, friends. Let's put our name on our paper first. That's always a smart first grade thing to do. And also the date. Always be sure to write your date. Oh, it's 23, isn't it? Sorry, friends. It's April 23rd. All right, let's go ahead and read our lesson. Tell time to the hour and half hour. Friends, I want you to read it with me. I want to hear you out loud. Tell time to the hour and half hour. Essential question. Read with me. How are the minute hand and hour hand different for time to the hour and time to the half hour? Well, we've talked about that before, haven't we, friends? The hour hand is much shorter and points to the large black numbers you see on the Judy clock, whereas the minute hand is much longer and points all the way out here to those minute numbers way out there in that blue circle. So one hand is short, one hand is long. We know that, don't we? One hand tells the hour, which is the first number we read. One hand tells the minutes, which is the next number that we read. All right, friends, let's read each. Each clock has an hour hand and a minute hand. Use what you know about the hour hand to write the missing numbers. So we're going to be really concentrating on this hour hand, it says, okay? Just the hour hand for now. Let's look and say the time. 1 o'clock. Let's read our three choices. It is 1 o'clock. The hour hand points to the what? 1. The minute hand points to the 12. Good. Now come to this one. We see the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2, halfway between, and the minute hand points down to the 6. So we'd say 1:30 or 1:30. Let's read together. It is 1:30 o'clock. The hour hand points between the what? 1 and the 2. The minute hand points to the what? What number is this? 6. It points down here to the 6, doesn't it, friends? But what do we say? The 30, don't we? 6 means 30 minutes, doesn't it? Yep. Good. Let's flip it over. Page 398. Here we go. An hour has 60 minutes. Let's count. Let's start with the 5. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. The clocks show 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Let's trace. 10 o'clock. Good. A half hour has 30 minutes. So it's like we cut a pie in half. This is 30 minutes. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The clocks show 10:30. The minute hand has moved from the 12 to the 6. 10:30. 10:30. 30 minutes after 10 o'clock. You ready to go? Okay, here we go. Write the time. We look at our hour hand. It's between the 11 and the 12, so we'd say it is 11:30. Good, let's move on. The hour hand is between the 12 and the 1, so we'd say 12. What? 12:30. Good. Let's look here. The hour hand is pointing directly to the 4, straight up. We would say 4 o'clock. Let's move on. I'm going to let you do number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll do it too, but I'm not going to let you see my work, and then we'll check it, okay, in a minute. Go ahead and do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm doing it too. I'm just not letting you peek. Let you look out the pretty window at me. Ha ha. Hi friends, I'll do it too. Did you get yours done? All right, let's check our work and see if you got it. Check your work. Say it with me. 7:30, 9 o'clock, 8:30, 3:30, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock. All right. I'm going to let you do numbers 10 and 11 if you want to. If not, cross them out. They're hot problems today. Let's move on to the last page, page 12. Solve. Matt, read it with me out loud. Matt wakes up at 6 o'clock. Linda wakes up 30 minutes later. Draw to show what time Linda wakes up. Okay, so let's start with 6 o'clock on our Judy clock. Okay, here is 6 o'clock. It said that Linda wakes up 30 minutes later. Let's count to 30. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What time is that, friends? 6:30. So our clock, when we draw, the hands should look just like this. Here we go. There's my hour hand first, right between the 6 and the 7. Now 30 goes straight down. 6:30 is when Linda wakes up. Good. Let's go to 13. David. Let's read it together. David left school at 3:30. Circle the clock that shows 3:30. Well, let's do it on our Judy clock first. Let's go to 3:30. I always find 3 o'clock first. I like to do that. Now I'm going to go to 3:30. So I'm looking for a clock that looks like this. 3:30. There it is. 3:30. Good job, friends. All right, you can do 14 if you want an extra challenge, but let's go to test prep and then you can go back to the hot problems if you want that challenge. Number 15, test prep. What time is it? Go between 7 and 8. Looks like it's halfway between 7:30. There it is. 7:30. Good job, friends. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy practicing your time. Again, if you want to take your Judy clock and play a guessing game with a family member, you sure could, where one family sets the clock and then the other one guesses the time. You can do times to the hour and half hour would be good. All right, have a great day and I love you.